We're rolling.
Let's go.
Let's see it.
Oh! All right, guys, welcome to Phoenix. Tristan, where are we and what are we doing here?
We're in New River. The sun's setting right now. We're about to head out. We got a 4-seater Turbo S. We got a 2-seater, what is it, a Turbo Pro R?
Yeah, Pro XPS.
Pro XPS. We're gonna get some
little 1-seater.
Little 1-seater RS1s, which are so deadly. Okay, it's getting dark. We got about an hour's left worth of light, and this guy found a local guide that's gonna take us out.
Thank you, Noah. When you watch this, thank you, man. You ready to go get out there and do it?
Let's go get it. Give me one of those things.
Sick.
Cheers.
Cheers, bud.
This thing's pretty cool. Has a reverse camera and everything.
All right, safety first. Always bring a helmet.
Finally out in the desert, baby, ready to go. Maybe the way out is down.
These guys. Welcome to New River. We set up camp here. Oh, fuck.
You wanna breathe for a sec?
No, I'm good.
Okay.
We're about to go to a nice wide space where we're gonna have the trucks side by side. You're gonna get to see a great comparison of what the side by sides and the truck can do.
Yeah.
And I think it's gonna be awesome, man.
Yeah, I'm super stoked because I've never actually fully opened up your truck with you.
Yeah.
So being able to see how it performs, because
I have a feeling it will keep up pretty good with the Razors.
I also want to. Fuck. Sorry, the Celsius is getting to me. You know how it gets all fog brain.
I got it.
I also want to give a huge shout out to Polaris Adventures for hooking up all these right here.
Polaris Adventures!
I gotta shoot it.
Love you! All right, Tristan, I'm tired of waiting around. You ready to go out here?
I'm ready to go.
All right, dude, let's hit it.
A little dusty out here, but a hell of a fucking good time, man.
Deadly.
Okay? We're good. You okay? Yep. Oh, buddy. Yeah. Hey. Yeah, buddy. What's up, buddy? Follow me.
All right, so I've never been out here with
put
these
this over your helmet.
crazies, and I got a mouthful of dust. But this is one of the most fun things I've ever done in my entire life. Yo, what's up, guys? So a little update. On the way from New River to Sedona, we actually stopped in Flagstaff for the night in Airbnb to wash up from the crazy camping RZR session and crushing it with Josh's Raptor, enjoying the scenery here in Flagstaff. So check it out.
Next time, Nicola.
What's up, Miles? Handsome mother over here.
What's up?
So welcome to Sedona. We just got here. We're at the famous Chipotle over by the pink Jeep right now. So we just got word that Tristan and Trevor actually
broke my truck
And just meditate.
Truck, yes, broke my truck. We're gonna throw some images up here. What they did is they snapped the stability bar that hangs down. They must have been doing some crazy stuff out there to snap that like they did, but you know what? It is what it is, and we're gonna go buy some tools right now, and then we're gonna go show up. We're gonna remove the sway bar and hopefully get the truck back to camp.
There's literally 5 cop cars up there, guns drawn, bulletproof vests on, speaking over a megaphone, telling this person to come out of the car and get out of the ground. Luckily, we're not in a rush.
We got a busted sway bar. We're gonna pull it down in a second, but you're gonna see where the weld snapped from the bottom of the U-joint bracket. And yeah, it's a clean break, but we're taking it off.
Yeah.
Before he starts to look at my asshole.
See, one thing you'll learn is that you need this for your vehicle, and sometimes you forget that. So you bring extra. Simple as that.